Imagine diagnosing diseases just by listening to your voice or breathing. Researchers at Google are working on a new AI model called HERE. Trained on billions of sound samples from various diseases, HERE can detect subtle audio cues linked to health conditions. The way you cough or breathe could help diagnose diseases. HERE uses advanced machine learning techniques to analyze these sounds, making it more accurate and efficient than previous efforts in acoustic diagnostics. It has the potential to detect a wide range of conditions, from respiratory illnesses to heart problems. This could be a game changer, especially in areas with limited healthcare access. A simple app could alert you to potential health issues just by sending a cough sample via WhatsApp.